Hello, thepreheimpack, and we are back. If you're brand new here, my name is Kiana. I'm the mom of the fabulous 5 kids, and together with my husband, we make up the thepreheimpack. So we have some time to kill while my son is in youth group, and I accidentally stumbled upon a Sam's Club. I have never been to Sam's Club. I'm a huge Costco girl, like to the soul, but I want to see what this Sam's Club hype is all about, so I'm going to go in and compare. That was a quick experience. I can't review Sam's Club because they didn't let us in. You have to have a membership, so maybe another time. All is saved, pack. I accidentally found a Vans outlet. I'm super excited. Never been here either, so we're going to go in and see if they have good deals. Good morning, Jack. Good morning. I am super excited. Yes, good morning, Jack. I'm super excited for 2 reasons. The first reason is this. I'm going to Target and no kids are coming with me. Yes! Go to Target by myself. Why am I going to Target at 7:30 in the morning? Because I woke up this morning and my fish tank, the huge fish tank we have, the motor broke. So the water's nasty. The poor fish is in there struggling. So I had to take him out. We are getting a new fish bowl today. Full disclosure, we used to have 5 fish, 6 fish. I'll link that video. We used to have 6 fish. That's why we had this massive tank with the motor and all of that stuff. Our current fish is a killer fish. Even though he was in the tank with the other fish we bought at the store, when we got him home, he picked them off one by one. So he's getting a smaller bowl. He's downsizing from his pet house to a condo. So we're getting a fish bowl today, and I'm also excited because I'm going to clean my carpets. So I wanted a carpet cleaner forever. Since I've been a grown-up, I love to rent them, and I was just going to get up and go rent one this morning. However, the thing with renting a carpet cleaner is that you only have a certain amount of time. You got to get it done. You got to clear out of the house for 8 hours and bring it back. Where are we going to go in quarantine? Where are we going to go? We can't stay at Target all day. So I'm going to just buy one. I'm going to buy one today if they have the one that I wanted. I'm so excited because I could just do like a section of the house and then be like, kids, don't go in this section. Not have to do the whole house and not have to clear us all out for the whole day. So come along with me. It's a Target day.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my.
I think these are all back here.
My. You got me like
the shelf, but an associate is going to get one for me. This store always gets me. I told you what I came here for, but why did I buy organizational things for my cords? Because my kids and all their chargers drive me insane. It's happening again. Target got me again. Got me again. A question for you, Pack. How are you keeping the kids entertained and not going stir crazy? So after my trip to Target, I came home, I had a bunch of stuff to do, and I just decided, man, we need to get out of here. They need to stretch their legs. So we dropped Elijah off at the beach and we hit the park. Today, we have never taken both of our dogs to Petco before. We are taking them inside to replace the fish tank. Didn't get finished up yesterday with the errands I needed to, so here we are with the entire pack. Say hi, Pack. And we are going into the store. Hopefully the dogs don't freak out and chase people or anything.
Ooh, scary.
They're so crowded. I don't think he needs one. I don't think he needs a harness.
Ooh, so cool. It's filling up. Come on, Mommy. Swim in. Come on. Is he alive? Hurry up. Yes, he's alive. He's alive.
Yeah. That's all I have for you today. Make sure you are being an encouragement everywhere you go. Pray you are staying encouraged, and I'll see you next time.